his elbow at a 90, it's not going to work. Hey, 51-4. Lots. Yeah. All the changes they did in college worked to get back to where it was. Granted, this is only one anthem. You gotta find a place for the other one.
What did you run off? JBL, right?
American base 500. It's Heisen. Was that a clip? This.
Okay. Take the tape off the pork ball, take the pork ball off.